Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, we're going to have a look at which lane to choose at roundabouts and when you need to signal. If you've got your first driving lesson on roundabouts coming up soon, or you just need a refresh, then this video's for you. You know you're approaching a roundabout as you might see this warning sign, and then a bigger sign like this one. You might also see road markings or a sign showing which lane to choose. Signs and markings showing which lane you need are useful, but not all roundabouts have them, and it's these roundabouts that we're going to have a look at today. This sign shows that the roundabout I'm approaching has an exit to the left, ahead, and to the right. I could also go full circle all the way round the roundabout and back the way I came. I'm turning left at this roundabout, first exit. So I'll need the left-hand lane. Check my mirrors, signal left, slowing down, give way to any traffic approaching from the right, all clear, second gear. Check left-hand mirror and keep to the left. Now cancel the signal if it hasn't automatically. It was important to keep in the left-hand lane as there might have been another road user next to me on my right. This time I'm following the road ahead, second exit. I'll go in the left-hand lane as I'm not turning right, the left-hand lane isn't blocked, and there aren't any signs or road markings telling me any different. No signal needed on approach as I'm going ahead. Now I have to give way to any traffic approaching from the right, but be careful not to stare to the right. You also need to look ahead where you're going as you need to keep in lane, and the driver in front could brake at any time. Plan your route, as it's really important once it's safe to go, to keep in the left, outside lane, as there might be another road user on your right. As I'm passing the exit before the 101, I'll check mirrors and signal to exit. Signalling left to exit informs other road users that you're leaving the roundabout. If you're just starting to practice roundabouts and feel there's just too much to do on approach, then try approaching them a bit slower. This will give you more time to be prepared, especially if it's busy. You'll be able to process everything quicker with practice and experience. At the next roundabout, I'm turning right, third exit. I'll need the right hand lane for this. Check my mirrors, now signal right. Give way to the right, but I'm also watching the driver on the left as they're a little out of their lane. All clear and safe, accelerate, up to second gear, keeping the right hand lane. As I'm passing the exit before the 101, check mirrors, signal left, and move over to the left if it's safe. Before I cross lanes and manoeuvred over to the left to exit, I checked my mirrors, and I also had a quick sideways glance to the left, just in case there was someone next to me that I couldn't see in the mirrors. Always look out for other drivers that might not keep in their lane, and be ready to react. Especially look out for long vehicles such as lorries and buses as they might straddle lanes. You could also drive full circle round the roundabout and go back to where you came from. Check mirrors, signal right, avoid the hatch markings, and keep to the right. Check mirrors, and signal to exit. Sometimes the signal will go off itself on the roundabout when it needs to be on. Listen for the ticking sound, and put it back on if needed. Well, thanks for watching our video on which lane to choose at roundabouts. It's only a rough guide for beginners and drivers wanting a refresh, but I hope it helps. If you ever find yourself in the wrong lane, then don't panic. Don't change lanes at the last second. Just do the safest thing, which might be to take a different exit to the one you wanted. You can then find somewhere safe and legal to turn around and get back en route. If you take the wrong exit on the driving test, then as long as you're driving safely and legally, you'll probably not even get a driving fault. The examiner or sat-nav will just direct you back en route. Don't forget to always look out for signs and markings that will help you choose the correct lane. For more information on roundabouts, have a look at our other videos. As usual, it's highly recommended that you take lessons with a qualified instructor. Thanks to everyone that's bought us virtual coffees, you're very kind. Don't forget to subscribe for our latest videos. Keep safe on the road, and bye for now.